This is my new glass teapot I got from Amazon. It's working really well. I put about halfway, there's a metal cylinder in there where the strainer is. I put it about halfway with tea. And the tea that I used, I have also got from Amazon. This is the tea. So, we'll see how it goes. So far, so good. So you have this. This is what happened. I'm making tea. Milk tea. And look. Not great product. And this is actually the second time. The first time it cracked, and I thought it's me. But this time the whole thing came down. Very dangerous.
The discoloration on the strainer in the teapot is not caused by dirt. This was carefully washed with a mild soap. It's not a good buy. No one wants to use this.
You can see the pieces of glass in there.